Hey everyone, another Hockey Treasures here. It's where we look at the stories behind the artifacts. This time, we're looking at hockey in video games. So, for all you hockey gamers out there, we got some classics. We got Blades of Steel. We got the first true hockey game that came out in 1980. But today we're going to look at the game that revolutionized them all. This game was rated second best sports game of all time by ESPN, only losing out to Tecmo Bowl. And we got it right here. NHL 94. When this game came out, it was absolutely huge. Tons of kids spending tons of time playing it, myself included, having a great time, and it's still played a lot till this day. Recently celebrated its 25th anniversary. There were tournaments all over North America. We had it on display here as part of that anniversary as well, too. So what's so good about this game? For the first time, you get NHL players and NHL teams featured in the same game together. What took it to a whole other level, though, is that for the first time ever, you get the one-timer. It made the game much more dynamic and exciting. One of the things that's also very memorable about this game is that Jeremy Roenick is the best player in the game. Gretzky's in the game, Lemieux's in the game, but Roenick is the best. Jeremy Roenick will tell you himself he attributes part of his fame to how good he is in this game. So, again, we got here NHL 94. You're going to find that in the Collector's Corner exhibition at the Hockey Hall of Fame. Thanks, everybody. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to Hockey Treasures, and follow the Hockey Hall of Fame on social media. Thanks for watching.